So update is, we gotta take this insulation out the roof to pass inspections, which held up a lot. So I'm gonna see if I can do it myself to speed up the process. It is multiple layers. That's why we need new installation, because these are R30s and they doubled it to make R60s, to make it like an R60. And this is a wood orange hook. Can you see? Yeah, you can see that. That's why I got a mask. All right, let's try it. See how deep that goes? Oh no, I see some ridiculous up here. So I gotta put them to the side. Whoa. Gotta get your hands dirty, papa. Let's do it. And these pants, done for. And that's what matters. So definitely wear eye goggles, but the mask helped me. Look, we did it. We did it. Party done. But now I gotta figure out how to organize that a bit better. Party done. Sheesh. Oh, this is very. Till next time.